Hello, traders and investors. This is Buy It Trade It from PennyStockRain.com. Today I will be discussing AAPL, that is Aapl Incorporated, listed on the NASDAQ. This is a NASDAQ stock. And a couple things that I've already pointed out actually is the support and resistance level right here. You can see this used to be a resistance level right here, and now that is a support level, and that's why we see that holding right now. It did go below the 20-day moving average, and I know moving averages are a lagging indicator, but they're still indicators nonetheless, and it broke that. But notice how it held that prior resistance level, support level area right here. This is something that I want to watch. Little tiny Elliott waves, I've seen them come through. You have wave one up and a little tiny wave down. That would be your second wave. Third wave up is actually, well, if you draw a line a little bit further down, is right here. That's your third wave. Your fourth wave right here. And then you have your fifth wave, which is the biggest wave of all. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how Elliott waves work. And with every Elliott wave, excuse me, you have an A, B, C type of correction. This could be A, and that's B, and that's C. 3 candles down. That's your Elliott wave. And then we started a new one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice 5. 5 is always the biggest one. Now we have 2 down. That's A, B. Right here, these 2 candles right here. But we want to see, main thing is we want to see our support levels. Let's see if I can draw it real quick for you. Right here, we want to see this hold a little bit. About the 345 area right here. So again, we're having little miniature Elliott waves, and that's particularly normal. So I'm not really too awed by that. But I am looking at this red candle right here, which shows me a lot of selling. It's not like we haven't had a lot of selling before, as you can see by this red stick right here, but that's just actual volume. And, you know, when you see a red volume bar, all that's telling you is that you had a very heavy volume day. It just closed really red. But this particular one shows you the price action or the beta. It was really high, and you notice the swings right here. And notice how it held the support area right here. This is another key support area that we want to watch, and it is the 327 price per share right here. So that's another key support level that we want to watch. Again, I am not a financial advisor, but I am Buy It Trade It from PennyStockRain.com. That is PennyStockRain.com. Please stop by and sign up today. Okay, we also have Parabolic Sar underneath the candle. That is bullish. That is a buy signal. And if you've noticed, we've had one for quite some time, all the way up well before December. Anytime they're below the candle, that's bullish. Anytime they're above the candle, that is bearish. Let me pull this up here because I'm getting a little too much stuff on my screen. Okay, we'll just handle that right there. All right. Now, we know where our resistance levels are. We actually have a few of them. This being one of them, 360. Notice how it hit the 360, then it came all the way back down here to support level. Nice channel right here. Nice price action. I mean, there is some volatility in Aapl Incorporated, and that is why we like it. Here's another right here. I don't even want to call that a real resistance level because it has to be tested a few times first, but that is another resistance level that we have to watch. I am kind of glad to see it break that and then retrace. I mean, when you see pullbacks, they are healthy. That's showing, you know, there is some accumulation, there is some profit taking, but all in all, it is perfectly natural to see a chart pull back, and that is what we want to see. Not too steep. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, it hasn't crashed. It's back down to about average from hitting 70. Now, it's been as high as close to 90. I would say about 80 right here. And that's when you become a little bit overbought. And right now we're becoming a little bit oversold. So I would expect a little bit of a down day come Tuesday. When market opens, we might land at 345 in that particular area. And I want to see if we close red, because if we close red, that's actually a good sign. That's the A, B, C. That could be C. And if we see that, then we might be seeing another Elliott wave pattern form, a little miniature one to go along with the bigger one in the bigger scheme of things. The longer term trend is your friend. You know, we can look at little tiny intraday trends, and that's all well and fine, but this is the bigger boy. This is the bigger chart. This is what you want to look at. The longer term trend is your friend. Again, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and due diligence. Thank you. Again, I am Buy It, Trade It from PennyStockRain.com. Please sign up today. Have a great weekend. Thanks.